Let's go to why. Okay, why. And why is adding. 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 So I can just ask adding. Okay, Kofi. Adding. Adding. So let's look at our first example. We have adding na wo shemisa. Adding na wo shemisa. Why is it that you are looking at me like that? Okay. Adding na wo shemisa. Adding na wo shemisa. Adding na wo shemisa. Okay. And for our second example, we have wo bowa dodo. Adding. Wo bowa dodo. Adding. Kofi. Wo bowa dodo. Adding. Wo bowa dodo. Adding. Wo bowa dodo. Adding. We also have DNT, which in translation may come off as why. All right. Why? So DNT can also be translated as why, but literally this actually means because of what. The other day I told you if you bring inti or intira after a word or group of words, you are saying because of the reference of that word or group of words. Okay, so here we have dien, which we identified earlier as what, and then we have inti, because of. Okay, so DNT literally means because of what. All right, but in translation, this mostly gets translated as why. Okay, so it is worth knowing about. So we have DNT. So for example, I can ask DNT na wofuru diano. DNT na wofuru diano. Kofi, DNT na wofuru diano. DNT na wofuru diano. I can also ask DNT na Kofi ne ama awariye no guye. 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 DNT na Kofi ne ama awariye no guye.